kids' favorite. Yay!
It's time to learn the colors. What is this?
It's an apple.
What is the color of the apple?
It's red. When it's not ripe, it's green.
Wow, very good. How about this one? What is this?
It's a banana.
What is the color of the banana?
It's yellow. When it's not ripe, it's green.
How about the bear?
It's brown.
Wow, it's a pretty dress.
I like it. It's so beautiful. It's color blue.
Do you like oranges?
Yes.
What is the color of the orange?
It's orange. I like the grapes too.
What are the colors of the grapes?
It's purple.
And when it's not yet ripe,
It's green.
this one is beautiful.
I really want flowers.
What is the color of the flower?
It's color pink.
Wow, very good. How about the clouds?
It's white.
This one.
It's black.
Very good.
Subscribe for more updates.